From KDFW Fox 4, the only local news at 7 a.m.
Texas law that was meant to protect children from sexual predators unconstitutional, according to the highest court in the state on criminal matters. Criminal defense attorney Barry Sorrels is here to explain. Could this mean some people who were convicted under the law or maybe set free? Do we have any idea if anybody's actually been convicted under the law?
You know, I'm not sure how many people have been convicted under this statute, the exact number, but if the ones that have, and if it was this particular section of the online solicitation statute that's been held invalid, then their cases will be reversed.
Now, this is a pretty conservative court. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, the final word on criminal matters. We all think the Supreme Court, that's civil matters in Texas. This is a pretty conservative court, and for a unanimous decision to say this is so unconstitutional, get out of here.
Yeah, that is exactly right. And the fact that, I mean, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, which, like you said, is the highest criminal appellate court in the state, is one of the most conservative appellate courts in the country. And for all 9 of the judges to agree that this part of the online solicitation statute is overbroad and unconstitutional, that means it was a terrible piece of legislation that should have been found to be unconstitutional and invalid.
Right, and what the court said was that you could send, if an adult sends to a child a perfectly innocent piece of material, for example, a little piece of video that may have any sexual undertone in it at all, you could go to prison.
Well, that's right. It was funny because the court even mentioned Miley Cyrus's performance on the MTV Music Video Awards on television, that if an adult distributed that online to a minor, then that could be considered violation of the law.
So this was just a very poorly written law, and the court also pointed out there are other laws that do protect children in these instances.
That's right. There's a whole host of other laws that prevent this type of conduct anyway, and you're right. The court said the problem with this statute is so overbroad that it criminalizes conduct that shouldn't even be considered criminal conduct, and that makes it a violation of our First Amendment free speech rights.
Okay. Pretty clear decision from that court. Barry Sorrels, thanks very much.